Guys, welcome back to Chronic Eats. Got some tortillas I did in some bacon grease earlier. Check them out. Roasting right now. Got the carne asada, some onions and jalapenos in there. Check that out. Fire. There it is. Mix up a little more. Check it out. And of course the cilantro. Some onions. Check them out. And of course the cotija cheese. Yeah, we're getting there. Taco Friday. Yeah. One layer at a time. Check that out. And of course, can't forget the chimichurri sauce that came with the package. Yeah. And there it is, guys. Looking beautiful. You know these would be $2 each at your favorite local Mexican spot, right? Did them at home for a lot less. Yeah, buddy. Look at those. Freaking delicious. OMG. Yup. So freaking delicious. So fire. Unbelievable. Unreal. Okay. Let me get back at it. There's that hot sauce I'm using. This, guys. Awesome street tacos. Yeah, paid a lot less than at the shop or at the taco truck. So there you go, there it is. Bam! Alright, guys. Thanks for checking out what I'm doing again today. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Please leave a comment, share with the world, all that cringy YouTube crap. And I will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Chronic Eats out. Peace.